We will continue our discussion last week. It's still about the benefits of reading. Maybe because we have a lot of discussion, we have a lot of what is it, sharing. So that's why it needs more time. So let's just continue on the next point of the benefits of reading books of reading. So reading develops interracial existence possible. Here, reading makes your brain accept uh, each other with differences. So it means that when you read something or any kind of books, you find the author weaknesses maybe, or maybe you find the character of the story with their privilege or with their weakness, with their and we can accept the story, and in real life we can also we learn from the story, we can also accept other differences. Here the differences is not just about physical differences, maybe like yeah, people's opinion or financial maybe,
What?
financial difference
Oh.
maybe,
Mm-mm.
or economy.
Economy and financial is same, right? Or
Yeah,
different?
it's the same.
Okay.
Yeah. Financial is about the financial like money,
Mm-mm.
but the economy maybe more
Keseluruhan.
yeah broader. So in your experience, have you ever found any story in your life that changed your
Opinion?
Mhm. and change your character to make friends with other people from different life maybe for example.
Mm, uh, I apa ya? Pernah gitu berarti
I
I
have ever
I have ever I have ever in that position, like some people opinion really um change my life.
mm,
Mm-mm. But at first maybe like my family and like the older family is talk with me about uh people that can be your apa ya, can be apa sih mbak sebetulnya, kok munafik itu can be your enemy.
hypocrite
Oh, like that. Hypocrite.
hypocrite
Hypocrite.
munafik kan.
Like can be your enemy, like kapanpun gitu loh.
Hmm.
Yeah, so
So it's from your older family means from not this family but other family but older.
yeah, like for my mom,
Oh, from your mom.
like they told me about that and say to me like don't don't apa ya, jangan terlalu
Trust.
don't to trust with people like that. But I not really bother. Apa sih, gak terlalu dengerin gitu loh.
Oh,
I
okay.
not really hear, not really make that
Serious.
the topic serious.
Mm-mm.
Just maybe apa basa-basi like that. But then when I have a new friend, and I felt that really happened to me. Then
Your enemy. And your friend becomes your enemy.
mm-mm, like
Mm.
apa apa sih bahasa Inggrisnya?
What is it?
Like mm, aduh, astagfirullahaladzim, kok aku dulu gini sih, susah banget sih jelasinnya kata-katanya. Like really tap me on back like that lah. Apa? Ah, itu gimana? Like that friend is just using me and
Oh, I
not
see.
not really really a friend, like a
Yeah,
real friend deh.
not a real friend,
Not
but
a real
just
friend, just
using you
using
for his or her advantage.
like that.
Mm.
And I really apa, nyesel tuh.
Regret.
Yeah,
Feel
regret
regret
for trusting them.
them. So
You
many
know,
friends.
no, yeah, gimana ya?
Most.
Almost, ya.
Not most, maybe
Ada dua orang,
two.
kalau them itu tiga ya.
Yeah,
Them
enggak
is,
sih. I just think that so the means not only one.
iya, not only one.
Oh, I thought it was only one. That's
Mm.
why I them. So you have how many? I mean,
Yeah, but the most make me like, I don't believe this, like still apa, not expect, is my still my family, like
so how do
uh
you deal with that uh, experience when you find someone or you find your friend uh, not really be your real friend? So do you avoid them or you just forgive them or so how do you deal with your friends?
I avoid them and I like apa, like block them for
Oh,
my
I see.
life, for my life. I mean, like
But you
no
don't meet them
communication.
again.
No, why I made them, like
So it's far from your life.
I make them far from my life.
But you can meet somewhere in the street maybe?
Oh, it's alright, it's in the street, but in my
Circle?
lingkungan circle ya,
Yeah, yeah.
in my circle, they cannot come here again. I mean, some people, some apa ya sebutannya, some people that make me like that is people who work here too.
Yeah.
Then I make him drop out. Apa, drop out ya kalau dipecat tuh?
Fire.
Oh, fired ya.
Mm-mm.
Kok drop out tuh apa ya?
For like when you are in university and then it's dropped out.
Oh, itu university.
Yeah, for university. But if it's about working, so you make him
Nah,
fired, fire out or go out. And if you recruit, so you hired,
Oh iya ya.
hire and
Fire.
fire.
Iya ya, fire.
Oh, I see. Okay, so
How about
I also have an experience about that. A friend, but become my enemy because I trust her. I have
much.
only one. I have only one, but it was when I was just young, maybe in primary school. Actually, she is my childhood friend.
Oh, but it's so close, right?
Yeah, it's so close. That's why I always I open my house for her like that. I mean, she can come whenever she likes. So she come to my house. I open my door really, really open for her. I also join. I also invite her to come to my room to share our bedroom.
Oh, though.
Yeah, like really
Nginep.
close. Yeah, like really close. But she was become my enemy because she was active.
Tahu tuh Kak. Stealing.
Yeah, she
What?
was active.
What did she say?
She stole my phone. Not only my phone, my sister's phone, my brother's phone.
Hah?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah. Even my first salary or fee because that time I worked with her and the first fee or the first salary that I got from my work we have in the same work, of course.
Yeah.
She stole
How can it be? Like,
because we go to work together. We also go home together.
so
So
people know.
I ride the motorbike.
Mm.
She was behind me.
Oh, like the
Yeah.
like partner.
Yeah, we are ride a bike, a motorbike. I mean, and because my money is on my back and she was on my she was behind me, she stole from my bag, but I never thought it was her who
So
stole my money.
so that was like cash. The
Yeah,
selection
cash.
was cash.
Yeah,
My
that time
How
there is
much?
there is no transfer like
Mm.
nowadays because it was on my era, yeah.
So
In my era.
when that happened, how old are you?
I for Oh, it was when I senior high school. But we
SMA.
were friends since primary. We were friends since primary because we have the same
Same school.
schools. We are neighbor, childhood friend, and yeah.
So
So
your home is so close with her
uh,
until now.
no, because of that case, because since our phones,
Mm-mm.
I mean my family's phones stolen,
Mhm.
we end the friendship.
So, I mean, you can still meet like
I can still meet her because
so
she
close
has
with her.
family. She has
Oh.
she has a husband. She lives not in the same place again. I mean, not in my place, in my village, but in different village. Maybe she uh live with her husband, of course.
Oh,
But
like
in
that.
my and never even I didn't attend her wedding.
But you know that the still the apa the thief is her like really
Oh,
mastiin gitu loh.
how do I know?
How do you know?
Because my brother
Uh-uh.
using like orang pintar that time,
Oh.
that time,
Oh.
and the orang pintar said it's close with your circle. So there is no other people in my house
That
but not in my family.
Mm-mm.
Another person,
Another person.
yeah, another person that come to my circle, to my
To
house,
my
except her.
Oh yeah, it makes sense.
It makes sense, yeah.
But that I mean when that situation
But it's also proven
uh-uh.
because we interrogated.
Oh, education.
Yeah, her at my work, at our work. That time I was working PT Sampurna.
Pati Sampurna lu.
Yeah,
What?
yeah,
Rokok.
yeah.
Yeah.
When I was young, mm,
You work in
PT Sampurna.
cigarette factory.
Yeah,
Wow.
in a factory making cigarette.
Making cigarette. Oh.
Like production, like
Ngeri ya.
you are making your employee making perfume, like maybe mix,
Refill it.
yeah, refill, mix the
Uh,
what is it, the ingredients. But I also produce like make the cigarette, so I know how to make it. But I only
my
maybe
God.
2 weeks or 1 month. I forgot because it was a long time ago.
Oh,
So
I
that time.
didn't expect that. Because, I think you was the hate about cigarette.
Oh yeah, I
Yeah.
hate it, but
I-
it's different with the smoking and with the. But I also don't like cigarette because yeah, it disturb me. I don't like the smoke. I don't like the.
So you out, I mean like out dari kerjaan.
Uh-huh.
Why? Because it doesn't uh
Because I don't like it. I mean, I don't like the time. It wasting my time.
not but not because making secret.
No, not because of that because that time I don't think that I like it or not. Working is working.
Oh, like
Yeah, I don't think that I don't like security and I don't want to. For me,
that.
any job is my experience.
Oh, so at that time you don't think like security is haram or something like that
No,
because
I don't
making
think.
them is like supporting to
Yeah,
someone smoke
I just want to
oh.
add my experience. I just want to get money, of course. So that time I got the job vacancy from the PT Sampurna. So for me, it's my experience. So I just do it as long as I got the money. But that I worked that before I
Yeah.
continue my graduation. I
Mm.
mean, I before I study in university.
Still
I
school.
yeah,
Mm.
like you.
Mm-mm.
What is it? Freelance, yeah, but not freelance
Oh.
actually. When it was what is it? Holiday, school holiday.
Oh, like weekend.
No, we can. School
School
holiday
holiday.
means like a
Oh,
semester, the last of the semester.
oh
Then we,
kerja.
yeah, I use my time to work.
So it was just not long ya
Not
posisinya.
That's why
Uh,
I said maybe only 1 month or 3 weeks. I forgot. Maybe 3 weeks or 1 month. I forgot. So, oh, why we discuss about that?
Tapi keren sih mbak. Ya punya banyak apa experience.
Yeah, because what is it? Money hunter ya aku ya. Job hunter.
Money is anything lah.
Job hunter.
Coba antar. Terus apa nih?
Next, oh yeah,
This
improved communication skills.
Oh, it is quite obvious that reading increases your vocabulary, due to which you can communicate to others more easily and comfortably. It can be.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Iya kan?
You go first.
You go first aja, Mbak.
No, I just want to add my experience with the previous point about reading makes your brain accept each other with difference. Means that when I read something or when I read a book, it makes me accept someone's differences.
Oh yeah.
Someone differences, not only I said that differences is not only about physical but anything, yeah, everything, yeah, everything about everything about even the what is it, the past,
Oh,
someone's past like that. Because recently I read a book, but not English book, yeah. Because here we only what is it, we always try to practice speaking. So means that reading is not only
Not
reading
only reading
English book
English.
but reading other language books
Yeah.
also. So recently I read a book that I borrowed from Latifah. It's a book about untold story.
What is that?
Untold story. Untold hero. Actually, untold hero that it is still related with the story of the Prophet Muhammad SAW. The story of the Prophet. And I can relate this because after I read the book, only one character on only one hero that I read from the book, I can what is it? I can make myself, I can make my character, or I can change myself to accept other differences. Because in the book I read about the untold hero is Wahshi. You know Wahshi?
What is that?
Wahshi is the
What
killer,
Oh, killer.
the killer, the killer of Hamzah. You know Hamzah? The uncle of the Prophet.
Oh, yeah. I see.
Yeah, if you have ever read about the story of Prophet Muhammad, and also if you have ever watched the Umar Omar bin Khattab's movie.
Yeah.
We have many seasons in that movie. You know the character of Wahshi. Wahshi is the killer of Hamzah, and I know the journey of his hijrah.
Oh,
Of
the
his hijrah.
apa namanya? The Wahshi.
Yeah, Wahshi.
Oh.
Wahshi is the, what is it in English? Yeah? Slavery, slave.
Oh,
Budak.
so he was slave.
Yeah,
So
like
he was killed Hamzah is
black
because.
slave, like budak hitam.
Oh, so he was killed Hamzah because her.
Because because he will get freedom from his
Apa tuan ya? Apa sih namanya?
his boss maybe, ya.
Yeah, you can be.
He can get freedom because of that. He kills the Hamza. He kills Hamza, and in that book like continue the story about the journey of Wahshi being hijrah. Being hijrah, because in the story of Prophet Muhammad, I didn't see the next story of Wahshi. Wahshi life, of course. I don't know. So from that book, I can learn that we cannot, discriminate someone's past.
Yeah.
Because maybe someone is very bad in the past, but someone can be.
He can be changed.
Yeah, he can change, and he can be the best of Muslim in the future.
Yeah.
So, Wasi was also, hijrah after
Killing.
after killing, but a few years after killing the Hamzah and few years after Prophet Muhammad passed away. Jadi kalau di cerita itu Wahsy itu dia waktu hijrahnya dia tuh menemui Nabi Muhammad, tapi setelah Fatu Mekah ya. Dia Fatu Mekah.
Meninggal dia.
Ya, setelah Fatu Mekah dia menemui Nabi Muhammad untuk bersyahadat. Terus apakah kamu Wahsy? Dibilang sama Nabi Muhammad kayak gitu. Iya, wahai Nabi, saya Wahsy. Saya yang dulu telah membunuh Hamzah. Iya, Hamzah gitu, Hamzah. Tahu kan apakah kau bisa memalingkan wajahmu dariku gitu. Intinya Nabi Muhammad nggak mau lihat wajahnya Wahsy kan, karena telah membunuh pamannya. Walaupun dia sudah masuk Islam karena sudah bersyahadat. Nah,
rasanya masih.
Iya, betul sekali. Setelah itu terus beberapa tahun kemudian Wahsy Nabi Muhammad meninggal. Terus setelah meninggal kan banyak nabi-nabi palsu.
Iya.
Nabi-nabi palsu yang berdatangan, salah satunya siapa aku lupa. Yang terkenal itu Muzaimah Mazalamah apa itu. Itu kan. Nah, terus untuk menebus intinya tuh dia kan ikut berperang lah, karena dia masuk Islam, ikut berperang di pasukannya Muslim, dan di tombaknya dialah nabi palsu itu meninggal mati.
Oh, dia bunuh nabi palsu itu.
Iya, dengan tombaknya itu, sama saat dia membunuh Hamzah pakai tombaknya itu juga. Nah, ternyata dari masa lalu yang buruk itu
bisa jadi baik.
Iya, orang itu bisa jadi baik. So, in this point, it is related to my experience of reading book, because after that, when I see my friend in a bed, when maybe she wasn't really Muslim, she wasn't wearing hijab, but I do not
Judge.
I do not judge, because maybe one day in the future she will be better than me.
Like that.
So that's why it's related. When I read a book, it changed my mind, my perspective, not to judge others, even the others maybe still worse than us, but in the future
We don't know.
We don't know they can be better than us.
Understand.
It's my point. How about so I just add the previous point. So we move to the next point, improve communication skills. So of course, when we have good, or what is it? When we have reading experience, we have also read many new vocabularies, right? Not only in English but in bahasa.
In bahasa too.
Yeah, in bahasa too.
Is it really related to you about this point?
Yes, of course, because I have maybe like only read this point we have quiet obvious. For obvious is new vocabulary, right? Quiet appears that really increases your vocabulary. Tutu is also new vocabularies.
Tutu is
We
mean like what?
never tutu like a based on
Oh.
or
Tutu.
because.
I know
Tutu
that
based on or because. We can also use tutu. But in this point, sometimes when we add some vocabularies by reading,
Yeah.
we do not use that vocabulary when speaking.
Yeah.
When we are speaking. It's like
maybe it's really difficult to speak to apa to we talk about it. I mean like not we don't terbiasa itu mbak.
oh yeah, we do not used to
it, yeah.
Used to it. That's why the most important of reading also to practice it in speaking.
We have to practice.
Yeah. Sometimes improve communication skills, yeah, but also when we practice it. But if we do not practice it, yeah, if we do not practice it, I mean in speaking, then it will be just on our brain, yeah, stay there, but we do not make it in real life. I mean in speaking practice. So that's why we are learning to what is it? If we have any new vocabularies, we can use it when we are speaking too. But I think, what do you think? Which is more effective for you to get new vocabularies? Listening or reading? Or both?
Both. If yeah, I cannot choose once, but both because you can we read and we hearing listening like that, and then we practice.
But once my question again, which one is more effective for you to improve your speaking skill? Reading book or watching movie?
Kalau itu tergantung banget ya. But when I was kid, I can apa ya? Have new vocabulary with watching film, just watching film, and I not do any listening lesson like this, like private class or something. I never doing this before. Ini kan mbaknya juga pertama kali.
Oh really?
Really?
Huh? But you said, you told me you always join a kind of, what is it, private with your teachers when you were primary.
Primary oh yeah, school. I have private teacher, but it's not about English teacher. It's like pelajaran lain. It's like another subject. And when I was primary, in my school at that time, it doesn't have English subject.
Oh, I see. So this is your first time. But you have teachers, right? I mean at school.
Yeah.
But Isa doesn't have teacher at school.
But
Isa doesn't have teacher at school. Just private teachers.
Ya, begitulah Isa.
Okay. Next point ya. So we can change our topic with another topic that
New topic.
interesting. Versatility.
Hah?
Reading versatility. It's a new vocabulary.
Versatility itu apa?
It's like creativity.
Creativity.
Yes,
Oh, but
like being creative.
tapi di
In
it like same.
yes,
Same
same
meaning.
meaning. Synonym.
Synonym.
Yeah. So reading books opens your brain and lets you think out of the box.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
know.
So means reading books make you creative, more creative. Do you have an experience that you read a book and you find something like, I have an idea?
I never in that experience, but I think this opinion is like it depends on the book, right?
Yes, it depends on the book and the people.
I mean, like the book is about maybe making kids creative. It can be.
Oh yeah.
Like maybe making something, craft something.
Yeah, it makes someone's creative. Yeah. So it depends on the book.
Yeah. For me.
Yeah. Making creative things out of the box. Do I have experience?
Because when I
Do
read
I?
novel, it's just a novel. I never felt like that.
I never feel like you are, but you are creative. I mean, you make what is it like art? I mean
Art.
not art. I mean like what is it?
Apaan, Mbak?
Kanji. Apa sih kok kanji?
Kuntilanak.
Apa sih?
Oh, gantungan kunci.
Kanji.
When?
Oh enggak toh.
Maybe it was just primary.
It was primary. You told me, right?
Yeah, it was primary, and I never read books.
Oh. So
Because when I was primary, I was so lazy.
so your creativity comes not from the book but comes on your own idea.
I remember when I was primary, I was so often watching YouTube like DIY like that, but so that's
wow.
why.
You know what? You know DIY since you were primary? I know DIY just recent nowadays.
Masa sih? Aku tuh lihat DIY yang anak-anak sekolah like for school gitu loh, Mbak. Padahal orangnya udah gede-gede, tapi itu dia buat DIY buat anak-anak sekolah gitu.
Oh, DIY is like a toy shop.
No, DIY is like we make something like kreativitas like that. But pokoknya tuh
not only toy.
Not only toy, it's like it can be kotak pensil, can be bag, it can be anything for you to school like that.
Or like your sharpener is from DIY?
Where?
That sharpener.
Oh no, it's not like a brand.
Huh?
It's
Like
DIY is not a brand,
Uh-uh.
but it's like a creativity. Like the YouTube channel is like teaching some kids to make something with barang-barang yang nggak dipakai gitu loh.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, to make something more useful.
But DIY, there is a DIY store, right?
Yeah,
What
store.
do they sell?
Maybe that same meaning. I mean like DIY store is it can be like they making something too like that, but it's more lebih murah gitu. Iya nggak sih Mbak, di DIY lebih murah kan?
I don't know. I never come. DIY. But DIY store sells creativity, or DIY store is like a school.
No, I think DIY store is like selling your
Products, right?
Products like Miniso like that, but it's more
Niso, Miniso, Niso.
ya, Niso itu kayak ikut-ikutan nggak sih Mbak, apa sih namanya?
Oh, Niso tuh ikut-ikutan Miniso.
Iya loh, sama loh ya.
I don't know Miniso, I know Niso.
Miniso Mbak yang ori itu.
Oh iya toh.
yang tapi that was price for like
Pricey.
pricey ya. So I think the Miniso bukan Miniso punya apa?
Nice.
Niso and Mr. DIY is
Cheaper.
more cheaper.
Oh iya toh.
Mm-mm.
DIY cheap.
Lebih cheaper, maksudnya lebih cheaper daripada Miniso gitu.
Oh I see.
Menurutku gitu karena barang apa ya? Kayak Miniso kan emang dari lain ya, dari negeri lain ya Mbak. Ini kan kayak dari dalam negeri.
DIY from where?
I think it's from
China.
I don't know where, but it's cheaper. And when I go there it's like more products that from local products.
What did you buy from DIY store?
It just sama aja. Isa.
Maksud Isa?
Isa lah sih mau.
Kamu kayak?
Oh aku ya tay.
Ayo Isa nang berangkat sa.
Kemana tuh?
Emang tidak.
Kasih kanan penting.
Ya Allah di toko. Baju renang di.
Terus tadi sampai mana Mbak?
DIY. What did you buy
Oh
there?
yeah, I buy just like
Ayo sebelum ni.
kunci apa ya?
Kan
Keychain.
Oh chain.
Keychain.
Kitchen.
Ya itu kan gantung kunci kan.
Oh.
Kalau di bahasa Inggris tahu gitu kok.
Oh kitchen.
Yeah, I buy just keychain and
Kitchen.
actually I go to Mr. DIY to just look around, not really into to buy something gitu.
Oh, so we can go there but just look around.
Kan itu kayak so many.
But we
products.
so we will not be what is it? Judged by someone. We do not buy something there.
Kalau aku sih nggak tau malu ya. It because
when I come to any mall, like what is it? I just want to look around. I don't want to buy something because I know it's expensive.
yeah, I doing that too.
Oh, but is it okay?
It's
Is it
okay.
normal?
It's like kan it's like apa ya? Oke kan kita bisa aja kayak pura-pura want to search something but we don't found it so we
Oh.
back gitu. Why I look Mr. DIY is because in that Mr. DIY is not just one type of they selling is not just one type of product but so many. It can be
And it's very unique.
yeah unique. It can be apa sih furniture.
Oh,
terus
furniture too.
ada kayak misalnya kayak pot-pot bunga like that. Terus can be yang buat orang-orang sekolah buku or something. Kayak bener banyak lah unik juga Mbak. Jadi kayak lihat gara-gara itu. Kayak Miniso tapi lebih banyak lokal ya.
Yeah. Oh, kalau Miniso from product from abroad.
Iya. Because the price is so high.
So if you have your creativity to make something, you can sell it to DIY. Maybe.
Oh, aku nggak tahu kalau itu bisa apa enggak.
Oh.
I never know about that. But when I was primary, I was so nyesel. Kayak
Regret.
regret. Why I not just selling my creativity loh, Mbak? Because at that
So
time
now, where is your creativity? Do you still have it?
I still have it, but in different way. When I was primary, I like to making some stuff, kan stuff ya. But in this age, I like to creativity with cooking.
Oh, I
So,
see.
like making something.
But do you
cute.
still have that product? I mean, that product that you make with your creativity?
Udah banyak yang hilang sih.
Oh, you do not save it?
Yeah, just a few. I saved that.
Oh, what kind of product?
It's really useful actually. Useful. Apa?
Useless.
Useless. Kok useful?
What
Useless.
are they?
Like when my friend is like to playing a doll, so I make the accessory like the bag
Oh,
and the hat, the
wow, really?
dress. Yeah.
You made that from
flannel.
oh kain.
Yeah, make from flannel because it's from doll, like a Barbie, like that.
Oh, you don't make keychain?
No, I like to make something that different lah with
Oh.
another. Like I make apa? Paket gitu juga.
Oh, I see.
Banyak lah aslinya. Aku buat perintilan kayak gitu.
Okay, next memory improvement. You read this.
Oh, you read make you apa?
Hmm?
Memory improvement tuh kayak improve.
Yeah, improve your memory like for maybe yeah, maybe you have short-term memory and then after reading you have long-term memory.
Memory improvement.
No.
Reading more and more sharpens your memory. I see you remember most of the stories that you have read. This exercise makes your brain strong and helps you in remembering things. I never experienced that. How about you? Biasa aja. Biasa aja kali. Pernah?
Of course.
Pernah.
If we find some stories that we are interested in, of course we will always remember that story. Maybe. Maybe like that. I mean, if we remember about the story, yeah, we always remember the story.
Yeah.
Like what I said before, I remember about the story that I am interested or insightful.
Insightful, what is that?
Insightful itu yang excited.
Excited. Oh, insightful.
Insight, ya.
Insightful tuh
Insightful
kayak gitu, kayak excited yang make
yang membuat berkaca-kaca ya,
kayak punya kesan gitulah.
Ya, yang kayak
Membekas.
berkesan, sangat membekas banget. Maksudnya, of course, if we talk about the story, yeah, of course, if we read more stories and we find it interesting, it will be stay on our brain, in our memory. But what I said before, sometimes we read a story or we read a book, we find the new vocabulary. Sometimes when we speak, we do not use that vocabulary, that new vocabulary, right? Because we are less of speaking practice, and it maybe stay there, and it will come up again after we read another book with the same new vocabulary we found.
Oh, I think this hard nangkep berarti. I think this mean like kita gampang mikirin suatu, kayak gampang keinget suatu gitu.
Yes.
But not about story, about maybe kayak misalnya nggak ada HP-nya di kamar terus aku lupa. Aku kira gitu tuh gampang ingat kayak gitu. Kirain gitu, kayak bener-bener maksudnya kita gampang nginget sesuatu gitu. Ternyata enggak. Lebih ke memori tentang ceritanya ya.
Mungkin bisa jadi dan mungkin juga memory about everything lah. For it said reading more and more sharpens your memory. So if you read more, it sharpens your memory.
It can be everything ya.
It can be everything. Memory about story, memory about the vocabulary, memory about the feeling of the story, memory about like sharpen our brain so we can be an intellectual maybe. Because the intellectual people, of course they read much. Orang-orang intelektual itu orang-orang yang pintar yang profesor. Of course they read many books.
Yeah.
If they are not reading many books, they are not being intellectual, of course, right?
Yeah.
So it means that memory improvement maybe if we read more, we sharpen our brain, and we can be an intellectual.
Oh gitu.
Yeah. Broaden visions. Yeah, vision. Reading will give you wisdom, wow, of thinking unique. In that way, you see things in broader perspective. Vision. What is your vision in your life?
Vision tuh pandangan ya,
Yeah,
rencana gitu ya.
vision is like a perspective of a future from a life. What is your vision?
Dark.
Huh? Why?
I don't know. Uh,
Everyone's, I think they have their own vision. In my vision is to become a human that is can give uh,
apa?
can give knowledge to others.
Pengetahuan ya.
Yeah, my vision in my life.
I don't really
Have
have a
vision.
vision because I don't know. I feel empty. Like I cannot do
You feel
anything with
empty?
my
You feel
opinion.
empty?
I mean, when I want to do something like for my apa vision apa masa depan ya, it apa it have always have some apa kayak penghalang gitu loh yang
Oh,
bikin aku nggak bisa maju gitu.
oh, I
Nah,
see.
like that. So I'm in the
So you have to break the seal.
durhaka.
Apa sih?
Iya Mbak.
Oh, I see. Oh yeah, I got your point. Okay.
Yeah. So that's why in this moment I feel really apa ini sih?
But I think,
Dilema.
but I think doesn't mean that you, if you have vision, doesn't mean that you have to break your seal. I mean, you don't have to. You can maybe from there you have your own vision.
Yeah, but
For
not
example,
now. I mean, not now.
I mean, the vision is not always to go outside, but to come inside. You know, you maybe you have vision that you can change your family perspective, maybe, or what, or
Yeah,
you
maybe.
can maybe from inside, like you can change from inside, not outside.
Yeah, I see, but I mean, this time I cannot imagine it. I mean, like I don't know where I have to start.
You can start from
Anywhere gitu.
no, you can start from yourself. Like maybe you don't want to make in the future. You don't want to make your own little family. If you have family one day, not. I mean, if you have a husband and you have children, you will
Yeah.
not be. You will start.
From there,
Yeah, maybe we
how
don't
it
know.
be like,
Like you, what is it? You remove any kind of tradition that happened in your childhood.
itu beda tapi I mean like I
Oh, yeah,
want
yeah, yeah,
to
yeah.
have something apa ya that's I spend I mean like I want to be something I want to be someone like that
Oh,
when I was when I before I married gitu loh Mbak,
oh, I
maksudnya
see.
you are married but it's
So,
so
do you think
hard.
you are not someone in this time?
Yeah, because I'm not
You are just a daughter.
I just thought I don't feel I become someone because I still the same like not doing any differences not work I mean like not work because ini kan aku bekerja but I feel like it's not really my hard working like I have this money because this is for my dad gitu Mbak.
Oh, I see.
Itu kayak aku bener ngerasa tuh pengen sesuatu yang aku kasihin sendiri yang bener dari jerih payah gitu loh makanya aku pengen kuliah itu.
So now you feel that you are just a daughter
Because
from your family
I feel
or
like
your parents.
I want to learn something new, not just for my apa, but diriku sendiri, but for my kids in the future. It can be kan?
Yes.
Nah ya. Kan
So
kan
you
itu
want to
kan.
change your profession. I mean, I don't want just to be a daughter. I also want to be
Mm-mm.
a student also. I want to be someone for my family, a friend, not only daughter. Because sometimes we feel that we are just a daughter because we always follow everything.
Follow
We
everything.
always obey our family's instruction.
Mm-mm.
But we'll never be a friend for them.
Yeah.
Because if a friend, we can share
Yeah.
our opinion, we share our perspective, we accept our differences, we make a space lah ya,
Mm.
we make space to what's it to do our happiness. If
Itu orang Filipina ya. But
so, you never be friends with your family. I mean, you never feel that you are a friend also or a best friend with your parents.
never, because my dad is cannot have differences. I mean, like,
Oh
if
yeah.
he have opinion, so everyone have to be the same like him. So yeah, I mean, it was his character, and I cannot change that. So I just obey him because he was my dad. Gitu sih. I don't know until when.
The last one, analytical thinking. As you read books with complex stories and content, it increases your analytical thinking capacity. Way.
Wis, apa tuh? Analytical,
Analytical, analytical, analytic,
Iya,
critic.
yes.
Analytical thinking capacity.
Gimana Mbak? Bahasanya mana? Oh ini.
Ya.
Analytical thinking. Gimana tuh? Increase your analytical thinking.
Yeah, when you find complex stories and you content, it increase your analytical thinking capacity. For example, if you, for instance, you find a complex story and you can analyze the story from the book
Understand that, yeah.
with the your real life or with the other stories, like they have connection. Like what is it? You
Have
know?
connection.
Yeah, like maybe the story connect with the chapter 2, the chapter 2 connect with the
Like
chapter
that.
10, so you can analyze. For example, when you find a story in a book, you can analyze that the book content is about feminism maybe, or and you can analyze that feminism is really happen not only in the book but also in the real life, because there are some group of feminine what is it, feminine people, feminine girls, they always.
Oh yeah, I know, I get the point. Oh, jadi kayak kita menganalisis sendiri.
Yeah, like you find something that you can analyze from the book.
Not from book, ya kan?
Yeah.
Nggak, maksudnya nggak, bukunya nggak jelas sih, cuman kita punya pikiran
Yeah,
sendiri.
like we can analyze, we can connect to what issue happen
yeah.
in the social.
Can be like a detective book gitu kan?
Yeah.
Kita mikir.
Yes, of course. Analyze means that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Bisa sih tuh.
Yeah, of course.
Coba main tebak-tebak.
Not only that, maybe
detective.
yeah, maybe like some issue of the book about romance, maybe about which book do you read? I mean, what is the title or what the genre of the book that you have ever read?
Wait,
Wow.
I have to search because I never knew the genre. I mean, not the style of the genre.